All right, so today we're looking at this STEM 6-in-1 kit. These were sent to me to do this review. Now you'll notice in the kits, they've got kind of what it is on the top. This is a hydraulic loader and just a basic summary. It has all the pieces behind, and then it has the step-by-step instructions. Now, the step-by-step instructions are not super detailed. It's just pictures. And so in some cases, there needs to be some parental supervision or some support, especially with younger children. But for the most part, our kids just took these and they figured it out and they built them, and it was great. The concept here is similar to Crunch Labs. If you're familiar with Crunch Labs, the only difference is you get more of these, you get 6 instead of 1, and you don't have like that video support or the tutorials in how to do it. It does have the step-by-step instructions similar to Legos. So if your kids like Legos and they like to build things and they're creative and they can follow instructions, this is really, really, really cool. If they need more support, then this is something that would be great for a classroom or to do with your children in the home. It says recommended 8 and above for this, and our kids are all older than 8, and they didn't have any problem with it. It says that it's 60 to 90 minutes, and for some of the kids, if your kids are older, it will go faster than that. Some of them they did really, really quickly, and so as short as maybe 25 minutes. But most of them take a little bit of while, so this is a good afternoon. It's something that our kids enjoyed doing together and then playing with it together, but then it's kind of is a novelty thing. So most of the joy comes in constructing it and kind of understanding how it works, and then the long-term replay value maybe not quite as high. All in all, it's a really fun kit and something that you should check out.